Let's get right into the ingredients for this dish. Let's start at the top here. 300 grams of ground chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. About a cupful of cut cherry tomatoes. I've halved and quartered them according to size. Some chicken stock, fish sauce, cooking oil, white pepper, sugar, salt, and red Thai curry paste. You can see the video on this. I have a video up. Check out the playlist. It's a very straightforward, easy recipe, and we're going to start by adding some oil to a hot wok. Add in the curry paste and let that get fragrant. To this, add in the chicken. I'm using quite a bit of chicken. This can serve at least 2 to 3 people or more, depending on your use. So you can see that it's pretty dry at this point, but we'll keep getting some color on it before we add some of the chicken stock. You want to break up the lumps that form. It's ground chicken, right? So you want to keep it lump free. Some of that stock. Now we'll go in with the cherry tomatoes. And that will lend some flavor and a nice sauce to the dish. So I'm going to add in more chicken stock, and then we're going to simmer this for about 10 minutes. Turn down the heat and let it cook slowly. Okay, so it's time to taste before we season. Wow, that hit of curry, those red chilies, the garlic, and the seasonings in that paste is wonderful. So what we will do now is add a touch of salt. We don't need to put much. So a good pinch or 2 of salt and sugar. You can use white sugar or brown palm sugar. That's about a teaspoon. Give that a mix. Okay, I've rinsed out my spoon. I'm gonna taste again. I want some of that sauce in there. There's enough salt. And now I would add a little more, but I have fish sauce coming, so I'm just going to hold back on that. So a touch more sugar. So you'll taste a very light sweetness. It's not a sweet dish. So be aware of that when you're making it. And lastly, I'm going to finish it off with the fish sauce. And I like to finish this off with some freshly ground white pepper. So aromatic and flavorful. And our dish is done. We're ready to serve. And see just how simple it is and how delicious this Thai recipe really is. Okay, let's plate. Well, that completes the dish. It's usually served with vegetables. You can also serve this with rice or pasta, you know, as you do a bolognese. This is also wonderful. Doesn't take long. We have the curry paste at home. You can even use a store-bought red curry paste if you need to save time. Let's take a closer look. I hope you like it. This video is brought to you by Majid's Kitchen. Share, like, subscribe for more videos like this.